Hello there.
Hi.
You probably don't remember me, do you?
You're my mommy.
Yes. Yes, that's right. Oh, look how big you've gotten. I brought you some things.
Where did you go? I woke up one day and you were gone. I looked in all the rooms. They told me you weren't gonna come back.
Who told you that? Who said that to you? That's not true.
I thought I did something bad. Something really, really bad.
No.
I thought I made you go away.
No. That's not what happened. Listen to me.